Hello my dear students, I'm very much happy to notice that all of you are learning reported speech very enthusiastically. That is why I have come up today with some of the exercises based on our previous chapters so that you could understand the chapter more clearly. With this, I just want to say one important thing that try to learn each and everything stepwise. It is better to learn the things stepwise instead of just messing up with different kinds of rules and at the end of the day getting nothing. Okay, so just try to be very much patient and try to learn each and everything gradually. Okay, so let's start our class. And yes, one more important thing, uh, if you are really learning through my videos, I would only like to request you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and try to share the videos with the people who really are earnest learner of grammar. Okay, so let's start our class, Words of Wisdom. Dear students, first of all, I would like to suggest you that these are some sentences. You must first note them down and try to solve these sentences by yourself just to check yourself, okay? And then come back to the video and try to understand your mistakes. And yes, one more important thing, tell me how many sentences of yours are absolutely correct. Be very honest and just tell me in the comment box below at the end of the video, okay? So let's start our class. Sentence number 1. Radha says Tapan is a nice boy. Radha says Tapan is a nice boy. Radha says that Tapan is a nice boy. So as we can notice here, we have not changed the tense of the reported speech because we have got reporting verb in present tense. Okay, so as we know, if your reporting verb is in present tense, there will not be any kind of change in the tense of reported speech. Okay, so that is why we have not changed it. This is Radha says that Tapan is a nice boy. Sentence number 2. John will say she likes roses. John will say she likes roses. So now as we can notice, reporting verb is in future tense, and if you are having reporting verb in future tense, in that condition also we never change the tense of reported speech. Okay, in this condition also we never change the tense of reported speech. So the answer will be John will say that she likes roses. This likes will be changed into this like again has not changed into liked because our reporting verb is in future tense. In this way, we came to understand that whenever we are having reporting verb in present tense or future tense, we will never change the tense of reported speech. Then Aditya said, Ritika tells lies. Aditya said that Ritika told lies. Very simple. This tells has been changed into told because we have got a reporting verb in past tense. Said, as we know, said is changed into said. Said means it is not changed, it remains same. So said is also second form and again said is again second form. So in this way, tells because it is first form, and as according to the rule as I told you in my previous video that first form will be changed into second form. So Ritika tells lies, Ritika told lies. Still, if you have any kind of confusion, students, you can again watch that video. And yes, of course, if you are watching this video first time, you must visit the previous video and come back again to understand this exercise properly. Raj will have told Avishka, sorry, it's not Avishka, Avantika. By mistake, I have written Avishka, Avantika. So, Raj will have told Avantika that she wrote very beautifully. Again, we have not changed the tense of reported speech because reporting verb is in future perfect tense, means future tense. So that is why we have not changed again the tense of reported speech. Shivam had said to Nandini, Ruchika will attend the party surely. Shivam had told Nandini that Ruchika would attend the party surely. Again, because we have got reporting verb in past tense, that is why this will has been changed into would, because reporting verb is in past tense. Vibhu said to Amrita, you can join the class after 15th September. Vibhu told Amrita that she could join the class after 15th September. Can is changed in could because model can used to be changed into could. So in this way we could understand that if we are having reporting verb in present tense, we will not change the tense of reported speech. Sometimes I have noticed that students change the tense of reporting verb. They say and said. Most of the time they change this say into said. Okay, so this is an error because we must keep this in mind that we never ever change the tense of reporting verb. For example, say remains say to is changed into tell, says to will be changed into tells, but we will never change the tense. As we can notice, all of these words and phrases have come into present tense. Okay, so we never change the tense of reporting verb. In the same way, sad remains sad, sad to is converted into told. Okay, but both the words are in past tense. Both the words are in second form of the verb. So that is why we must understand that tense of reporting verb is never changed. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब का जो टेंस है वो कभी भी बदलता नहीं है. ये इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग है जो आपको हमेशा ध्यान रखनी है. See now here one thing to notice, sometime we change this said to into informed or reported. Said to informed और reported में भी change हो सकता है और ये says to reports या फिर informs. ठीक है, इसमें भी चेंज हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो अगर इस तरह से आप वर्ड्स कहीं पर भी देखें तो आप कंफ्यूज ना हो, इस तरह से भी चेंज हो सकता है. इन्फॉर्म्स और रिपोर्ट्स, इन्फॉर्म्ड और रिपोर्टेड में भी. So Vibhu said to Amrita, you can join the class after 15th September. Vibhu informed Amrita that she could join the class after 15th September. Vibhu reported Amrita that she could join the class after 15th September. Then Aradhna reports Nisha that her painting takes her to another world. Then let's check some more examples. You can solve these examples also. Nishi may leave now. Radha said that Nishi may leave now. This may has been changed into might because according to the rule of the model, may will be changed into might. Then Jessica said she might attend the party. Jessica said that she might attend the party. Might has been remained might because might is never changed. Akriti said Naman does his work at time. Akriti said that Naman did his work at time. So here we can notice that reporting verb in all these sentences have come in past tense. So that is why the tense of all reported speech have been changed. Now here is one important thing. Does has been changed into did. Obviously because does is V1, it will be changed into V2. Here does is working exactly as a main verb. If you remember in my last video, I told you that do is never changed into did, but do not is changed into did not. Why? Actually, at that time when I was saying that do is never changed into did, that means to say I was talking about do as a helping verb. ओके तो डू जब भी हेल्पिंग वर्ब के रूप में आएगा तो वो डिड में चेंज नहीं होगा, लेकिन डू नॉट और डज नॉट भी कहेंगे हम, वो डिड नॉट में चेंज हो जाएगा. ठीक है. एक्चुअली आई वॉज टेलिंग दैट थिंग related to interrogative sentence. Okay, so right now because we are not doing interrogative sentence, and if I explain you that right now you may be messed up, so I will explain that thing only in my later video in which I will explain you interrogative sentences, how to change the reported speech of interrogative sentence. Here do or does I am talking, it is actually V1. So V1, as we know that it is a main verb. Okay, so it is a main verb, and main verb obviously V1 will be changed into V2. Arman said to Salman, Krish does not listen to his father. Arman told Salman that Krish did not listen to his father. The teacher said to the students, life on this earth is short. The teacher told the students that the life on this earth is short. Here we can notice the tense of reported speech has not been changed. Why? Because this sentence is in universal truth. This sentence is universal truth, and according to rule, universal truth, scientific facts, and habitual sentences. If these sentences come under reported speech, we never change the tense of reported speech. Even if you are having reporting verb in past tense, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस में होने के बावजूद भी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का टेंस नहीं बदलेगा इस कंडीशन में कि अगर वो यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ हो, साइंटिफिक फैक्ट हो, या फिर हैबिचुअल सेंटेंस हो. So I hope now you have been more confident with the exercises. Try to do more exercises from your grammar books and try to learn this topic more clearly, more thoroughly. Meet you soon with my next video in which I will explain you how to change the person of reported speech. That is a little bit typical topic to learn. So don't miss that video, and just before that try to do some more exercises from your grammar books. So till then, goodbye, happy learning.